Some commonly used conversational words in the French language. Monsieur means sir, or Mr. Madame translates to madame or Mrs., and mademoiselle is used for miss. Bonjour can be used to say good morning, hello, or good day. Bon après-midi means good afternoon. Bonsoir is good evening. Bonne nuit means good night. And bonjour les enfants is how you say hello, children. A bientôt means see you soon, and au revoir is the way to say goodbye. A ce soir, see you this evening. A demain, see you tomorrow. A lundi, see you on Monday. Comment vas-tu, how are you? Ça va bien, merci. Well, thank you. D'accord. Okay. Comment allez-vous? How are you? Très bien, merci. Very well, thank you. Permettez-moi de vous présenter. Permit me to introduce to you. Je suis très heureux de vous rencontrer. I am very glad to meet you. Avec plaisir, with pleasure. S'il vous plaît, if you please. Je vous demande pardon, I beg your pardon. Excusez-moi, excuse me, je vous remercie. I thank you again. Il n'y a pas de quoi, you are welcome, de rien, you are welcome.